80 words per minute for 7 minutes. 5 seconds more. Start. Pollution is the process of making the environment, land, water, and air dirty by adding harmful substances to it. Pollution causes imbalance in the environment. This imbalance has threatened the very survival of all forms of life. It is a threat to the whole world. India ranks a low 125 out of 132 countries in the Environmental Performance Index 2012. Environment pollution is defined as the unfavorable alteration of our surroundings. It is a byproduct of man's activities which directly or indirectly are responsible for the changes in environment. These changes could be in the physical, chemical, or biological characteristics of land, air, or water that harm human life and other living things. Environmental pollution is a serious problem. Pollution leads to different types of diseases and allergies. The industrial development and the green revolution have adversely affected the environment. People have converted the life supporting system of the entire world into their own resources and have disturbed the natural ecological balance. Serious degradation and depletion have been caused to the ecology due to the overuse, misuse, and mismanagement of resources. The major causes of environmental pollution are population explosion, rapid industrialization, deforestation, unplanned urbanization, scientific and technological advancement, etc. Nearly 35% of India's total land area is subjected to serious environmental pollution. Even though 3/4 of the earth consists of water, yet there is scarcity of potable water due to pollution to environment. In India, as a result of the increased use of fertilizers, the rivers, seas, and oceans have become contaminated with harmful pollutants, and hence all the sources of water have been polluted and are unfit for drinking. Industrialization, which has led to the migration of rural population to the cities in search of work and consequent urbanization, has created an unhealthy environment. It has led to overcrowding, which has resulted in mushrooming of slum areas. Towns and cities are full of dirt, dust, rubbish, and noise. Water pollution adversely changes the quality of water and disturbs the balance of the ecosystem and causes health hazards. Water becomes polluted by the presence or addition of inorganic and organic or biological substances. Industrial effluents which are dumped into the rivers further add to Water pollution levels. Soil pollution usually results from the disposal of solid and semi solid wastes from agricultural practices and from insanitary habits. The soil gets heavily polluted by hazardous materials and microorganisms which enter the food chain or water and create numerous health problems. Nuclear explosions and nuclear tests also pollute the air. The spread of radioactive materials into the air has increased. This may cause cancers, abnormal births, and mutations in men. The emission of greenhouse gases has led to climatic changes. The increase in pollution has resulted in global warming. Global warming is an average increase in the Earth's temperature due to greenhouse effect as a result of both natural and human activity. The ice caps in the polar regions have begun to melt fast. This has resulted in the rise in the water level of the seas and oceans. Grass sprouting in Antarctica and snowfall in the desert of the United Arab Emirates are all the warning signals of global warming. In order to fight this menace of pollution, vigorous efforts should be made and the anti-pollution law should be strictly implemented. Vehicles should be made eco-friendly. Public education and awareness on the relationship between climate change and human health is a key to deal with these problems more effectively. General awareness is a must to save our planet from destruction. All the nations of the world should work united to control environmental pollution.